Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on Target Uniform Services, and in this video we'll discuss 2019 UPSC CAPF Assistant Commandant Essay topics. One topic we have already discussed, the earth is not for humans only, and now we are going to discuss the impact of social media on social relationship. One more announcement we want to make that we have launched a one particular course, top ranker course. In this we'll give you a 25 test series in which 20 mini tests and 5 full length tests are there. Any interested candidate can enroll and it's a free of cost. So let's start the impact of social media on social relationship. Before writing blindly on any topic, first of all you have to do the brainstorming. And in brainstorming, first of all you have to identify the keywords in the given topic. What are the keywords? Keywords is social media, another is it want an impact on social media, particularly on social relationship. So other is social relationship, and the main thing is impact. What is the impact of social media on social relationship? Now can you write something on social media? It is simply a media which we can see in a news channel, or it is different? Social media here connotes directly to the this Facebook, Twitter, this WhatsApp, what else, Instagram. These are the social media site. And what are their effect on the social relationship? How many types of social relationship are there? If we talk about this, starting from the family relationship, and if a person is working, then he has a working relationship, interpersonal relationship, और कितने टाइप्स की रिलेशनशिप होती हैं? If you talk about the at the larger level, there are political relationship, what else, military relationship has no end. So military relationship, if a student is in the school premises, then he has a educational relationship with his teacher, and he has educational relationship, mass media relationship, religious relationship, economic relationship. So there is no end. Then what is the impact of social media on these all of this relationship? How you will define? So every impact is of two types. First is positive, and another impact can be negative. What are the positive effect? Social media क्या positive effect है? In a crisis like situation, like there is a disaster management or some event happened, ठीक है, hazardous event, and we need help, so one particular person need help, then he can make a particular post and post it on these social media accounts. Then suddenly we have seen in pandemic situation, during the second wave of this pandemic, we have seen a lot of people, they have seek help on this platform. They write that plasma donor is required for their father, for their sister, for their brother. Plasma donor is required, and oxygen bed is required, other things, load of drugs is required. So the person who came across this information, they are ready to help. So this is the positive impact of social media on social relationship. So how it helps to build a very good bonding with the society. Other thing, can you tell? It can help in raise their voices in a term. We have seen that a Me Too movement was again, it was raised by one particular woman, that she was harassed at the workplace, and soon after that information came on this media platform, a lot of women came across and they have shared their story also, shared their own stories. So this particular became a movement. So what, how it was helpful, it has again created a awareness, created awareness between the women only. They became more empowered. Women became more empowered after they shared these kind of stories. So if any particular woman, if she is in distress, she can seek for the mechanism, any mechanism of legal or any counseling. Okay, so this is the positive side of the media on the relationship. What are the negative sides? There are much negative sides if you compare. Let's take example of Facebook and Instagram. Starting from the very family aspect, how it affects the family relationship between the two person. Like we have seen a post, their high adrenaline rush post. We have seen a lot of people post fake photos, Photoshop photos. So what happened? If a normal person came across these photos, he will feel jealous or he feel demotivated. What else? These are the, or he will feel more unsecure, because if they see the high flying life of other person, that this person is traveling to this hotel or this hotel and he is a very good lifestyle, so another person came across a stressful condition. So this is the negative impact. So how a person should deal with this? He should stop visiting others' profile. So social comparison is a dangerous thing. One cannot compare his life to others' life. So if he compares, then he will be in some problem. Another thing is loneliness, because people start utilizing a lot of time on these social media platforms. So they become a victim of loneliness, depression. These kind of symptoms emerges. What else? What are the more negative impacts? Can we talk about this more anonymous trolls? Anonymous troll. And the women mostly became victim of this kind of troll. So if a woman read any remarks like sexist remarks or any gender related remarks or any this kind of remarks, so it creates some mental toll on the women. Okay? Mental toll. What else you can talk about? Can we talk about the fake news? Fake news, and it has a larger repercussion on the society at large than the social relationship. Social relationship like between two communities, like if I give an example of Hindu and Muslim communities, a fake news emerged that there is one particular incident happened, and in that incident one particular community person was involved, so it disturbs the communal harmony. And the classical example is Saharanpur riots. Saharanpur riots is a classical example, and Delhi riots. It all started with a fake news. And one important news, I think it is from Manipur or something, yeah, Mizoram. A fake news was spread, and they said that child abductor is in the state, and two random photos of the person was posted, and these people find out those person and they killed those person. So it's again a negative impact of this social media. Without any relevance or credible information, people start acting on their own. So again, it's affect the relationship between the migrants and the indigenous people of that population of the state. Fake news related, can we talk more? COVID-19 pandemic. What are the major reasons of mishandling of this? People spread very false negative news regarding the vaccines. Whoever got vaccine, they will be killed in 2 weeks. This kind of misinformation regarding oxygen supply, misinformation regarding the black fungus. There are a lot of misinformation in the market. What to take for the precaution, what not to take, this kind of misinformation always in the social media platform. What else? Can we talk about privacy concerns? Privacy concerns is also a factor of social media, and if one person's privacy is leaked, so imagine the relationship that person will have with the family, with at the workplace. The person will bear this kind of trolling at the workplace. What else? There are also social costs, like human behavior got altered, different human behavior. A person, if he came across this social media platform at the very early stage, the socialization agent, we call it socialization agents, are of like family is also socializing agent, school, peer groups. So if a person who is in adolescent stage, if he came across a bad peer group, what all values he will get, what all qualities he will develop in future. So again, the behavior of that particular person will be different. It depends upon the socialization through their peer group he will get from the social network. What else you can talk about? The negative impact of social media on relationship. Hate speech is also example of this. It will affect, what it will do, this kind of speeches, it will again polarize the society. So the harmony between different communities will be disturbed, so it will disharmonize the society. What it will do in future, it will have an impact on the national security or the state security and the law and order kind of situation in the state. So all the things are interrelated. We have to study in this particular approach. So we have talked enough of the factor. Can we talk about more on the conclusion side? कंक्लूजन साइड में हमें कंक्लूजन लिखते वक्त फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट डाउन सम पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्ट जैसे इट हैज़ इंक्रीज द सोशल कोहेजन बिटवीन द कम्युनिटीज़ एंड द बेटर गवर्नेंस वी आर गेटिंग ड्यू टू द सोशल मीडिया. सोशल कोहेजन में जैसे वीमेन टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस सोशल मीडिया टू रेज देयर grievances. What else? Like the marginal community need some kind of tool to raise their issues, and this will get the national coverage. Marginal communities like SC, STs, these kind of communities are neglected. So what they need a social media to raise their concern, because we know every post became viral after few days if they have the authenticity. So their authentic issues can be raised to the government. तो आपको इस तरह से बात करनी है. आप नेशनल लेवल पे सोचिए इसका कंक्लूजन करते वक्त. इम्प्रूव्ड गवर्नेंस वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट. व्हाट एल्स? इट हैज़ हेल्प इन द इम्प्रूव ऑफ हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर. So many things you can talk about. Social media, can we talk about more on education? How social media has helped in improving the education, political empowerment. Now the youth, this 5 years ago, there were very less participation of youth in the political system. But now we have seen, due to the emergence of social media, now the youth are more participating in the politics. So we have seen the emergence of youth. So it has become a tool. Social media become a tool for the youth to participate in the politics. तो ये सब लिखने के बाद in the last you have to mention that social media has both impacts on the society. It is also a boon and bane at the same times. इस तरह से भी आप एंड कर सकते हैं. और it is the two side of the same coin. इस तरह से भी आप इसको एंड कर सकते हैं. और आपको साथ में क्या लिखना चाहिए बस, बट दिस सोशल मीडिया नीड्स सम रेगुलेशन which government of India now is trying through the which kind of rules? Intermediary guideline rules, in which government has clearly mentioned that social media agency has to adhere with the rules and regulation of the government of India according to the intermediate guideline rules of media ethics rules. ठीक है, तो इसको आप इस तरह से एंड कर सकते हैं. सो वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी हैव कवर्ड द कंक्लूजन पार्ट, हाउ यू कुड कंक्लूड अ पॉजिटिव वे में. ठीक है, और वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द हेट स्पीच, द नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द सोशलाइजिंग एजेंट्स. ठीक है, सोशल मीडिया इज ऑल्सो सोशलाइजिंग एजेंट एंड दीज आर द सोशल कॉस्ट एसोसिएटेड विद द सोशल मीडिया. और प्राइवेसी कंसर्न्स क्या है सोशल मीडिया के वर्क प्लेस पे. एंड कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन लाइक फेक न्यूज़ इज emerged. ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग दिस सिचुएशन. सो वैक्सीन, ऑक्सीजन, वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस. वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द कम्युनल हार्मनी एंड आल्सो नेम्ड सम example like Shahanpur riot case, Delhi case, child abduction case. And so this is not a credible particular news regard. तो आपको इस पे ही बात किया हमने. Anonymous troll, how it affect the person affected through this, the women troll and the mental troll, the sexist remarks and the social comparison between two lives. These are also a negative impact. और क्या हो सकता है जैसे इसमें पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट बिटवीन इट्स अ एम्पावर्ड टूल फॉर द वुमेन्स, फॉर द मार्जिनलाइज्ड सोसाइटीज़ और वेरियस मूवमेंट लाइक मी टू वुमेन. ये भी कहाँ से इमर्ज हुई थी? सोशल मीडिया से. सो फैमिली पे क्या इफेक्ट रहता है, इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप पे क्या इफेक्ट रहता है इसका सोशल मीडिया का. वी हैव टॉक्ड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. अगर आप ये सब इसमें अच्छे से इलैबोरेट करेंगे 300 वर्ड्स में आप ये स्पेसिफिकली लिखेंगे तो यू विल गेट अ वेरी गुड मार्क्स. सो आई होप you like this video. Next time we will come across another topic. So till then, thank you, bye bye.